The Yamaha RD 350 is a legendary sports bike that was first introduced in 1973. It is known as an icon in the world of two-stroke motorcycles, thanks to its powerful performance and aggressive design. The 347 cubic centimeters, two-cylinder, air-cooled engine fitted to the RD 350 is capable of producing up to 39 horsepower, a very impressive figure for a motorcycle of its era. Nicknamed the Giant Killer for its ability to match bikes with larger engine capacities, the RD 350 became a favorite among riders hungry for speed and thrills. The reed valve system used in the engine makes the power more responsive with excellent acceleration. Not only does the RD 350 excel in performance, it also has an elegant classic design. The rounded gas tank with distinctive graphics, thunderous twin exhausts, and sporty riding position make it one of the most iconic bikes in Yamaha's history. The RD 350 also made history in the racing world, where it was often the choice of riders in road racing events in the 70s and 80s. Even today, the RD 350 remains a target for classic motorcycle collectors and modification enthusiasts. The Yamaha RD 350 in this modern concept design by Oberdan Bezzi appears as a futuristic interpretation of the legendary classic motorcycle. The bike carries a streetfighter style with an aggressive and sporty touch, characterized by a large yellow fuel tank with RD 350's signature black graphics that reflect its retro design heritage. The minimalist body design with bold lines gives an aerodynamic feel, while the large upside-down front suspension adds a premium feel while enhancing riding stability. The sturdy delta box frame used is designed to provide the perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. In terms of specifications, the bike is projected to use a 350 cubic centimeters capacity two-stroke engine with a liquid-cooled two-cylinder configuration, capable of producing around 50 to 60 horsepower thanks to the use of modern technologies such as a fuel injection system. The dual exhaust with a compact underbelly design not only enhances the look but also produces a distinctive two-stroke sound.